In this video, let's play some buttons in Eclipse. Let's get started. Eclipse. So we use button to switch among our geometric problems. Draw parabola, perpendicular parabola, slope to calculate parabola. Okay. Parabola, perpendicular. Okay, so we at least we have two things we can show, right? So for example, this one, perpendicular. Let's try perpendicular, and stop it. Parabola. This one, and stop it. And parabola one. Let's see what's that. So today we'll create a new project and put all of them together and switch right among them using 3 buttons. So now let's create a new Java project. Name geometry problems. So next, finish. Geometry and discard modular name, create module info. No. So let's create our package. Go com.go thumb. Okay, let's use the geometry problem here. Let's just use golden ladder, and that's it. Okay, now let's create a new Java class. Yeah, so geometry problems. Yeah, so here we can put our code. Yeah, let's create our JFrame. Frame equals new JFrame. Put a title there. So geometry problems, and yeah, frame dot set size. We always use 600 and 600, and shift enter, and dot set visible true. Let's give a try. Oh, I just learned the shortcut key for our for my new MacBook Pro. So I need to hold on the Fn key to get out the F11. Yeah, it works. So let's stop it. So I need Command Shift and Fn key, then F11. Oh, what happened? It's still there. Let me try it again. Command Shift Fn, F11 here. So now we'll create our JPanel. So canvas JPanel subclass. JPanel extend JPanel and override. Let's fix this warning first. Delete that and shift enter, go here, override paint component. Yeah, so we don't need this one. So today we'll put private view ID. Let's create two methods to draw different geometry problems. So let's say what's this one? Perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular 1, and we need perpendicular 1. Let's see what code do perpendicular through point on line. Okay, so let's copy the code from there. Perpendicular, no, not this one. That's Command W to close it. Yeah, okay. Draw circle. Oh, nice. We can copy this one and put in our class canvas panel. So here is the code, right? Draw the perpendicular. So let's put it here. Now let's call this draw perpendicular 1. Yes. Let's give a try. So we need to add, save this one. What's wrong? Oh, there's no G. Okay, so we need to pass in the G here. Yeah, add a parameter there. So add a G here. Yeah, it compiles. Now we need to add. Let's close this one because we already copied that. So we need to add component new canvas panel. Yeah, this one. Command Shift Fn F11. Nice. Oh, so now we need. Okay, so let's test it first. Stop that. Now let's add the code here for. Let's create another one. Let's make a copy of this one. So perpendicular 2. Do we have perpendicular 2? Oh, no, there's no perpendicular 2. So never mind. Let's draw a parabola. So here is the drawing code. Wow. What is that? Draw circle. Is that this one same as our draw circle here? Maybe. Okay. But anyway, we can double click. Let's double click this one and copy. Go to here and double click this one and double click that. Let's see this one, paste. Oh no, so we do need that, so we paste it here. So let's check the code. That's good. So no, we don't need this one. Let's give it a try. We don't need this one. So this is actually a parabola, right? Parabola code. So let's call this one parabola G. Yeah, let's comment out this one so we can see the parabola. Now let's run it. Cool. So let's create a button so we can switch between those two, right? By clicking the button. How can we add the button? So I want to show you how to use our good friend Google. Okay. So for example, we want to, it's Java button example. Okay. So basically we can see some, so create the button. So let's check this one. Oh, then we jump to here. Okay, so there's the code for the button. So basically we'll create a JButton here and add action listener. Don't worry about the complicated syntax here. We'll explain this later. Today we only need like to trigger the action we need. Okay, so we'll create a JButton new. Okay, then the button add action listener. Okay, so let's stop it here and we'll so here let's create a JButton. Button equals, oh, we need two button, right? We need two buttons. So button per what's the, we have perpendicular equals new JButton with the title, I guess. So perpendicular, and now next button perpendicular dot add action listener. There's two of them. Action performed. Okay, add action listener. Let's try the first. Now new action listener. New action listener, control space, enter. Eclipse, thanks to Eclipse, it add everything we need here. So override that. So performed. Let's print out something to test our button. Click. Okay, save it. Oh, we still need to set bounds. Otherwise we cannot see it, and we need to add the button into the frame. Okay, cool. So the button, new that, right? So button, no, button dot add bound. Set bounds, sorry, set bounds. Rectangle. This one is easy. Where do we want to put the button? So we have 600 by 600. Let's put in the bottom left. Okay, so let's use 20. No, axis 20. So here is 600 minus 20, so 580. Oh no, we need to consider the size of the button. What about 60? Like, we can try. Width about, what about like 200? Height 40, maybe 30. Let's give a try. And frame dot add button. So hopefully when we run it and click the button, we can see something on the console. My button. Where is my button? Here is how we rearrange the screen components. So we have our JPanel, our canvas panel, right? So originally our frame size is 600 by 600. So now we increased the height by 100. So we have a bottom area. So we can put our buttons there, right? At the bottom of the JFrame. And we still use 600 by 600 for the JPanel. So here is the important line for this layout to work. So frame.set layout now. This means we'll use absolute layout. It means we'll use, there are other ways to do the layout. But here we use like absolute coordinates, the location like that for our layout. For example, this, when we add the panel, right, we can set the bound in its parent, in its frame, in its container. So we'll start from top left, right, and it occupies 6 by 6 square. So it means we have an empty area below this 600, right? Well, we will put our buttons there. So now here is the code to create the button and add button. Yeah, here. Let's move this up. So we create the button, right, for the perpendicular, and we set its bounds. So you see here is the location, right, X and Y. We put under the 6 by 6 J panel, canvas panel, and we use the width 200 and height 40 for this button. And then all the UI is ready there. And here is our button action, right? Code. So we add our button action code here. Let's give it a try. Do you see? The canvas panel is from here to here. And this is 220, right? 20. The button, top left, the anchor point of the button is 20 and 620 here, from here to here. Now let's click it. Yeah, the button works. So now we can canvas panel. Let's add another button. So make a copy of that. Okay, so command option down key. Yeah, that's the quick way to do it. So button perpendicular. What else do we have? Parabola. Yeah, let's put a, no, this one is parabola. Let's see what we have there. This is parabola. Okay, so wrong name. So we keep this as, let's try the other way to rename that thing here. So we can we can use the shortcut key Command K to search that, right? Search that. And we can change this to button parabola, so we can make a copy of that. And we highlight this one, Command K to go through it. So, okay, when I arrive here, I can Command V, right? And Command K to go to the next, Command V. Command K again, here. Yeah, parabola. Now we can uncomment this one for our perpendicular. So this one, let's put it here next to the, so perpendicular, we'll rename that to parabola. Okay, so perpendicular, we need to adjust the, here. Let's use the middle. Okay, 300. The middle place. Now, let's give a try. We should be able to see the, parabola, perpendicular. Okay. Now, let's add the code for this one. So we can make a copy of this one. Command Option down key. Okay, down arrow key. Yeah, so we can replace parabola first. Okay, so perpendicular, the second. Perpendicular here. Yeah. Now, since it already works, let's delete that. Now, how to switch between the two diagrams. We can create a flag here, like int problem index, right? Let's start from something not real. Okay, so now we can use this flag, right, to control our which one to draw. Perpendicular one. Oh, do we have another perpendicular? No. So we only have one perpendicular. Let's rename this to, highlight that, Command K. Okay, there's only two places. Cool. So we remove this one and Command K to jump to the other one. Remove that. Okay. So parabola. Oh, we put the two of them together. I didn't notice that. We have a parabola and perpendicular. Okay. So that's use the flag to control if problem index equals, say, 0, we draw parabola, and else if problem index equal to 1, right? So we can draw this perpendicular. Now in this file, we can, every time after we click the button, we can change that guy, change the problem index. So this is for parabola. Okay, so we'll do panel dot problem index equals, right? We set it to 0 and make a copy of that and move down using Option down arrow key here, and this should be 1. Now let's try. Nothing. Yes, because the problem index is -1. Now let's click parabola. No. Perpendicular. No. What's wrong? What is missing here is, after we change this, we need to trigger repaint. So it's panel dot repaint. Repaint. Yeah. Let's make a copy of that one here. Now let's give a try. Parabola. Yes. Perpendicular. Yes. Parabola again. Cool. That's it for today. See you next time.